Imagine feeling like the universe is conspiring in your favor. That moment has finally arrived. Your guardian angels have a powerful message for you. Think of all the struggles you've faced, the challenges that seemed impossible, and the weight of uncertainty. Now, it's time to turn that page. A promise is about to be fulfilled in your life, bringing an alignment between your desires and your destiny. A transformation is lurking, ready to manifest. Don't leave, don't give up now. What comes next could change everything forever. There is someone who thinks deeply of you, praying to God every day for your paths to cross definitively. You might not even know it, but this person sees a future by your side, full of love and companionship. In their most sincere prayers, they wish for that future to become a reality because you are special to them. With your unique and authentic way of being, you bring light to their life. It is precisely your characteristics, the ones you think are normal, that have sparked such a strong feeling in them. The desire to be by your side has turned into a constant thought. They dream of living by your side, walking together through life, sharing simple moments that mean everything. This person imagines you both building a story where challenges become small because having you by their side makes everything worthwhile and gives meaning even to difficulties. They feel that your way of being is an incredible gift, something life gives to show that joy and peace can be found in the little details. For this person, a future with you is the most beautiful of dreams because you make their heart beat faster and their eyes shine in a way that only those who truly love can understand. Sounds like a fairy tale, right? But the truth is that her feelings are as real as the desire to live this story with you, to turn each day into a new page of this life book that she imagines with so much affection. She sees a future where your dreams intertwine, where every smile is in perfect harmony, and love flows like a calm and deep river. She wants each dawn to begin with a sparkle in your eyes and each moment together to become a treasure kept deep in the heart. To her, you are not just a companion on the journey. You are someone who transforms each little moment into something special, someone who brings purpose, color, and light to life. She feels butterflies in her stomach just thinking about waking up next to you every morning, finding joy in the little things, laughing at the silly things of everyday life, holding your hand when the world seems to fall apart, and celebrating every victory, big or small, that life places on your path. She dreams of building a unique story, just the two of you, full of moments that reflect the deepest and most sincere desires of the heart. A story that overflows with meaning, where each chapter is written with hope, affection, and mutual respect. And even when challenges arise, you will know that you have the strength of being together, always. At the bottom of it all, it even seems that God is already guiding these steps, intertwining your destinies in such a perfect and harmonious way that it seems magical. You believe that this journey that begins now is unique, full of discoveries, moments truly worth living, constant learning, and a love that strengthens each day. This relationship will be much more than just a union. It will be living proof of how love can be a powerful force, guided by faith and destiny, shaped by the hands of God. It's as if the entire universe is conspiring for these two souls to meet, recognize each other, and decide to embark together on this incredible journey called life. Together, you will have the chance to experience a rare connection, something that transcends the ordinary and transforms into something extraordinary. With God's blessings, you are destined to live moments of pure joy. Each day will be a testament to how true love can light the way, even in the most challenging times. You will live a life full of meaning, sustained by affection, mutual respect, and the sincere desire to grow together, learn from each other, and build something beautiful and lasting. The person by your side will have no doubt that you are the perfect choice. They will see in you qualities that go beyond what the eyes can perceive, a natural kindness, an honesty that shines through every gesture, and a gentle spirit that touches the heart of anyone fortunate enough to know you. These qualities are rare and precious, and that's why this person will believe that with you, life will have a special meaning, a beauty that few can reach. And that is why this relationship will be more than just a simple promise of love. It will be a promise of growing together, mutual support, and shared happiness. Every day will be a celebration of what truly matters in life, a true connection, respect, faith, and the deep desire to walk side by side toward a future full of light and achievements. Each moment, every instance lived together, will remind you both that you are exactly where you should be. Together, creating a unique story, guided by love and blessed by God. It won't just be about living a life as a couple, but about living a life with purpose, reflecting the best of each one, always motivated by what truly matters. He is here with an open heart, waiting to share every little piece of life with you. From those lazy morning breakfasts to the deep conversations on quiet nights. He wants to face everything by your side, be part of your team, walk together, both in the storms and under the sun. He discovers strengths he didn't even know he had when you are near, a peace that only your presence can bring. You are the light that makes everything meaningful, the reason he wakes up every day with a smile. And he can barely wait to build a future by your side, where every moment is filled with laughter, dreams, and lots of love. He wholeheartedly believes that together you can overcome any obstacle. That life with you by his side can be an incredible journey, full of meaning and joy. There is a certainty that this love can face anything, that it will grow and transform into something even more beautiful than it already is. God, in his infinite wisdom, is showing a path of hope and light, saying that great things are reserved for you both. It is an invitation to trust, to believe that this feeling is strong enough to endure and flourish, going beyond anything you can imagine. It seems that the universe is conspiring to unite you both, as if it wants to remind you that something incredible is on the way, something that surpasses all expectations. This person is not just looking for someone to share a few moments or temporary company. He wants more. He wants a partner for life, someone with whom he can share not only the big moments but also the small things of everyday life. He is ready to fully commit to a relationship where support is constant, understanding is sincere, and love is immeasurable. He dreams of a future where happiness is already a reality, a place where you not only coexist but thrive, grow, and become the best version of yourselves. A future where dreams, goals, and values walk hand in hand, creating a path filled with harmony and fulfillment. And you can be sure this love, blessed by God, will bring immense happiness and a profound sense of purpose to both of you. A love that transcends simple affection, sustained by an emotional and spiritual connection so deep. He wants to build a future based on respect, shared joy, and mutual support. He imagines a life where each day together is a chance to strengthen the existing bond, where every step is taken to create a welcoming environment, full of love and security, a place where both feel free to dream and achieve together. In this person's dreams, there is already a clear image of a home by your side, a place that is more than just walls and a roof. It is a refuge of love and commitment. A home filled with laughter, heartwarming moments, and a shared purpose that gives meaning to each new dawn. He is determined to make this dream a reality. He values every moment, every conversation that strengthens the bond between you, and sees every difficulty as a chance to become even closer. With all his heart, he wants you to see the future the same way he does, as a beautiful and exciting journey for two, where love guides the way, and the destination is shared happiness. In your dreams, your love is a flame that never goes out, but grows over time. Each new day is a chance to connect more, to feel the happiness increase, to live a life full of meaning beside someone special. With God's blessing, this dream will not just be a distant fantasy, but a reality within your reach, waiting for you to embrace it with an open heart. God has promised that this love will be an inexhaustible source of joy and strength, something you can always rely on. The person by your side will always be ready to face everything with you, from the toughest challenges to the small daily victories. They will offer you unconditional support, always believing in the potential of you both together. This will be a relationship with solid foundations, where what truly matters is happiness and love. God will be present in every detail, blessing this relationship so that it flourishes with genuine affection, profound respect, and an understanding that only grows with time, elevating both of your lives. Imagine a pure, selfless love, without conditions. A love without demands for you to be someone different, without attempts to mold you to a standard. The person by your side will love you exactly as you are, without wanting changes, without impositions. They will see your essence, your qualities, and even your imperfections, and still choose to stay, every day, every moment. It will be a love that simply exists, flows, accepts, and understands. And when you think about this love, you will feel that it is a gift from God, something to be appreciated and lived fully. You will realize that this deep feeling is not fleeting, but a promise of a future full of peace and fulfillment, where mutual care and unwavering support will transform each day into a gift. This love will be seen as a rare treasure, a true blessing. It will be as if this feeling had been carefully placed in your life, bringing a special purpose, something that is not easily found. And he will know this. He will know how special it will be to have someone like that by his side, someone with whom he dreams of building a future not only made of plans but of a home full of warmth, affection, and belonging. Embracing this love, understand that it is more than just a feeling. It is a unique gift, a sign that something greater is guiding this encounter. The one who will be by your side will be more than willing to live this experience with you, to give you all the support and that unconditional love that will never be lacking. He will be ready for this, with an open heart, trusting that, with God's blessing, Your future will be full of illuminated moments, full of chances to grow, to evolve, and to find joy in the simple details of everyday life. The love you will share will be a living proof of faith in action, showing the beauty of having someone truly by your side. This someone will understand the depth of being together, even on difficult days. It will be more than a path to happiness. It will be a purpose that will reveal itself over time, a story that will be written with each step, each lesson, each laugh, and each tear. You will be on this journey of mutual growth, learning, and discovering together, where each new day will be an opportunity to connect even more, to understand each other better, and to love each other more deeply. And it will be in this love that you will find the strength to face any difficulty that arises, always together, always side by side. Life will have its ups and downs, but when you have someone who truly cares, everything becomes easier. With the divine presence guiding your steps, you'll be able to overcome any challenge, always with heads held high and hearts at peace, trusting that you are exactly where you need to be. To receive all this and reaffirm this commitment, this blessed love, leave your amen. It won't be just a word, it will be a sign that you believe in this union, that you see the beauty and strength it holds. It will be a way of saying that you are ready for this bright future, built on a solid foundation of trust, respect, love, and of course faith. Let these words resonate deeply in your soul. The universe is committed to ensuring your success and will continue to guide you toward positive outcomes, no matter the choices you make. Never forget that you deserve a love that feels like it was made for you. To truly believe in this message and all the blessings that come with it, write "I accept" in the comments and open your heart to what the divine has to offer today. I want to know what you think, so share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to leave your like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future important messages. May God and the universe guide each of your steps with peace, love, and faith. Amen.